Hi, hello, my precious viewers. Welcome back once again. This is Dr. Prasanna T from Sagar. After a long time today I am making a video taking the concept of Chanakya Niti. Sorry my dear viewers that I couldn't able to make videos from the last 2 months from February to July. I made 5 videos particularly regarding to in the subject of economics to my students. But today is a different concept that I have chosen in my lecture. The gap is happened to make a video is because that I received a little bit of some issues particularly for my YouTube videos, but taking as a challenge that I come back with a new concept in a new video, particularly the issues of Chanakya. The thing is that I request my viewers and my dear friends that if you want to like or dislike or making comments, you make in YouTube channel only, not necessary to make any letters or the things could be different or not. This is 21st century, my dear friends. Come on, make a comment on YouTube channel itself. There is a comment box is there. Okay, you make comments. This is public domain. This is a beautiful concept introduced by our commissioner, particularly to taking an issues and then discuss the concept, to deliver a concept to reach the world, to reach our students, to reach the public. That is very, very important. A teacher like me, that we want to discuss many issues, not in regarding to only economics. This is what today I took a concept of Chanakya Niti that I want to deliver now. What is the perception behind Chanakya regarding this concept, and what is the perception behind this concept according to me? That is what I want to sum up in the end. But the thing is, before I am going to deliver my lecture or taking the issues of the Chanakya Niti, I want to tell one quote in Kannada, where my father used to be say to me. My father said that, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ, ಚಪಾತಿ ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾದಬೇಕಂತೆ ಹಿಟ್ಟನ್ನ. ಚಪಾತಿಯನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆ ಹಿಟ್ಟನ್ನ ನಾದಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 2 ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 2 ಲೇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದ ಚಪಾತಿ 3 ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಲೇಯರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಚಪಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ರೀಡ್ until that you won't succeed. This is what things could be, my dear viewers. Diamond is diamond, gold remains gold, quality is always remains quality. This is what I meant it. Okay, anyhow, I don't want to make further issues that really I will come upon to my topic. That's on, it's a bigger one, that how the males and females eat twice the amount of food, possesses cleverness 4 times comparing to the males and females, display courage 6 times, and have a hunger for sex 8 times. This is the topic that compared to males and females in the views of Chanakya, and at the end I want to sum up in my views that how Chanakya made his views in his what do you call the huge and then abundant talent using by Chanakya. I am really happy about Chanakya in his way of delivery goods, taking many concepts. According to Chanakya, we do also agree that economic policies are like a dynamic one. We do agree with the dynamics concepts. Okay, this is also one dynamic concept that I took to deliver lecture, and I want to put forward in front of you people to see this lecture. Chanakya appears to be merely relying the common beliefs among the common folk during those times of deepest prejudice against women. Or is there a hint of sarcasm? This is the put made on question mark. The women, of course, do eat time in a plenty. For them, it is time to pass exercise. Not an act of satisfying the hunger in modern times. The women eat very little for the sake of dieting. We know that nowadays the women and also men are making dieting not because of saving something. Because Chanakya is making the concept of money, he is using everywhere the concept of money. In his whole, the Chanakya Niti is mentioning the concept of money in everywhere. But here the thing is, the males and females are dieting because of not to save money, but to save the health. This is very, very important. There is economic issues also there. And all the above, clever ploys required a big amount of courage to execute them. Considering the enormous risk involved, it was always a matter of life or death. The failures meant death or severe punishments and torture. The women had to have the courage of gladiator. And also Chanakya wants to run on his way to defining how males and then females are compared on his views. The women having the 8 times more lust in some debatable. They have more sex desires in understandable as the nature has created them to be mothers, which is a direct result of mating with males. But to say that they are 8 times over sex crazy is a bit unfair. The fault lies with males who had been seeing women only as sex objects. This is wrong, actually, the statement given by Chanakya. Wonderful statement actually written in his book. They failed to judge women beyond that narrow views in other roles and to other activities. The males recognized an existence of women only when they are mating with them or were engaged in foreplays or during romantic adventures. Hence, this statement of Chanakya is merely a reflection of thinking of males rather than being his educated thought. This is what Chanakya made and views regarding to the compared of males and then females, particularly an amount of food which is economic good we consider, cleverness, and then courage, and then the many issues that he consider in between males and then females. And then what is the sum up of this concept of Chanakya? He also made sum up, and also the thing is, in my view, in my perspective, towards the Chanakya issues, particularly regarding to the males and then females comparison, particularly an amount of food and then possessing of cleverness and then courage in times to time. That is, in my perception, before embarking on a mission, the invocation of a God is the expression of one's humanity and acceptance of the reality of his existence being insignificant. So the need for his blessings means God blessings and inspiration for the successful completion of the task being undertaken. This is very, very important nowadays. My dear friends, my dear viewers, see, the things could be different nowadays because the challenge appears in front of you, and then you have to take it as a challenge and then do something. That is what things could be. Chanakya has warned against naming deals or dealings with some types of harmful and undesirable elements which can cause grief, ailment, pain, financial loss. This is very, very important, the concept of financial loss under economics, which comes, we have to deal or we dealt in many ways, or physical harm, mental agony, shame and embarrassment is always there in nowadays. This is what the sum of is making by Chanakya. In my perception also, there is little bit of what you call pain, and then physical harm, mental agony, and an embarrassment is happening. But we have to take it as a challenge. This is what, in my perception regarding the to Chanakya Niti is considered. We have to take it in a way which is functioning smoothly. This is very, very important. He has given a very good description of a place or a country where one can live. Such worthy place must have some basic qualification and necessary conditions. The place must have established trade and commerce, employment opportunities, good education system, security, good government, reassuring law and other situation, suitable conditions to raise a family, to what do you call some sort of spawn class, make friends. This is very, very important, my dear students. To make friends is a difficult one. Such a way nowadays, don't believe anybody. Believe on yourself, believe on your mind, believe on your heart. This is what I want to say. This is also Chanakya also mentioned in his book. To make friend is not an easy one. Nowadays, oh my God, forget. Friend is nowhere we have to consider. This is I mentioned in many lectures, in my lectures where I went to give what do you call special lectures or special invitees or special talk. Not only here but also when I went to abroad, I used to say all these things that if you want to make a good friends, we keep it in mind that we must have an open heart. This is what things will be. And to seek spiritual guidance, this is also very, very important. Spiritual guidance is one, okay, where you get a little bit of satisfaction for your mind and for your whole physical body. This is the mentioning one. Opportunities to learn arts and crafts, If you are, meanwhile, if you are having any gap in your work hours or working hours, it is necessary to have a little bit of crafts and other things that you may deviate your mind. And then charitable to the people is very, very important. This is what we meant. And above all, the place must provide due honor and allow self-respect and its residents. Chanakya also stresses the need for one to save money for hard times and advocate its protection. This is one thing. What you call money is always comes with you when you gives value to money. He strongly recommends self-preservation at every cost. Self-preservation for every cost is a meaningful one, which is prescribed by Chanakya. I am very respectful to our Chanakya, who is the the profounder of economics. So, economics of Chanakya is wonderful one. We have to read it out and then work it out on these issues. As a marriage counselor, he puts premium on the upbringing of the bride, her some sort of beauty, where the concept of beauty and then other things, issues consider, the economic cost will always be considered, and then economic cost will always be worked out. And in my perception, the most important fact that emerges through this, Chanakya does not hesitate to rise above caste considerations. This is what we want to mention here. He don't want to hesitate anywhere that he want to rise the caste consideration in the society. He indirectly admits that a person of a lower caste can rise with education and become a man of letters. And also, a person who is a arts and high qualities, he will ruled and then prescribed to the societies in the course of time. The advice is to be honored and to accept such a person without any reservations. This is what I want to stress on in my perception, that Chanakya of the cleverness, timely work, and then some sort of food, and then economic issues that we must consider. There is a logical and then analytical issues behind this concept. This is what they mentioned of the things is totally a different one. Authentic Chanakya's thoughts with lucid commentary is very much considered nowadays. This is what my admits towards Chanakya's views or perception where he mentioned in his book. My dear viewers and my dear friends, that if you want to like or dislike, or if you want to subscribe this channel, go to, this is YouTube is a public domain, okay, you go ahead for all these things, okay, subscribe this channel and then encourage academic issues. Thank you very much. This is once again Dr. Prasanna T from Sagar.